Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited because I have another Chanel haul. Am I in focus? Okay. So every time I want to order something from Chanel, especially if it's a perfume, skincare, makeup, anything like that, I need to be able to test it out in person. So I always go to the local Dillard's because that's where our Chanel counter is. I check the items out for myself. No joke, I can spend about 30 minutes to an hour just testing out the perfumes, seeing how it dries on my skin and how it interacts with my body chemistry. So I take my Chanel purchases seriously. I did finally see their holiday collection. I saw the eyeshadow palette. I didn't really like the color scheme. I saw some of their lipsticks. I saw the enormous highlighter, which I was almost tempted to get, but I had to control myself, so I didn't. I did, however, pre-order some of the beauty kits that are coming out for the holidays. So as soon as I get those, I am going to do a review on them. So for now, we are just going to unbox my new Coco Mademoiselle items. I have the body oil, which I have been wanting forever, and it's always out of stock at our local store, as well as the Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette. I don't know if I pronounced that right. So here it is. I love my SA. She always puts all of my items in this beautiful Chanel box. She doesn't have to. I've gone to the store a few times and I would buy maybe like two or three things and they would just put it in a paper bag. But my SA always puts it in this Chanel box. Okay. I don't know if you've seen any of my videos, but I do have two other Chanel reviews. I have the Coco Mademoiselle hair mist review, as well as the Coco Mademoiselle body lotion and Coco Mademoiselle perfume intense reviews. So you may want to check out my previous reviews for those things. But anyway, here we have our new items joining our collection. So my SA gave me a few testers because I was interested in one of the beauty kits that had skincare. So I have the serum and I believe the water cream. So as soon as I get my beauty kit and actually test the skincare products for a length of time, I'll go ahead and post about it and make sure to review it right. But I do have the testers. So here we have the body oil and the eau de toilette. So I'm going to start with the body oil because I'm really excited to use this and I'm so in love with the scent. One of the things that I love about this body oil is that you can actually spray it. It does have an atomizer. So the application is so easy because you can just spray it on your skin or spray it on a cotton pad and then dab it on your skin. So I'm going to test it in this area. Ooh. It's glistening. Oh, there we go. God. So this oil is amazing. I love this so much. Feels so hydrating. And at the same time, it just makes your skin look so healthy. You don't need a lot to sparkle like a diamond. I remember when I first came across this product, it wasn't in stock, but the SA did dab a little bit on my hand. And honestly, my hand felt so hydrated and smooth for the next couple of hours. So I just knew I had to have this product. And of course, it smells so good. It smells like Coco Mademoiselle. This gives off such a delicious, warm, sensual, ambery scent with hints of floral. It's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. I would say this is really more warm and alluring. And I really, really love this so much. One of the reasons why I'm trying to complete the Coco Mademoiselle range is because I feel like you can do a lot of amazing self-care rituals with their products. On top of that, you end up smelling good. So just imagine if you had the Coco Mademoiselle body soap, which I love, it doesn't dry me out. And then after you're done with your luxurious bath, you can put on some of the Coco Mademoiselle oil or the Coco Mademoiselle body lotion. And depending on what time of day it is, you can spray on a little bit of Coco Mademoiselle Intense. This is if you're going on a date night with your husband or you're just going out with your friends. This is going to last you all night. But if you're going to a daytime event, that's when you can use your Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette, which we're going to review now. So I have the 3.4 fluid ounce bottle, and they didn't have the smaller size, but I didn't even want the smaller size. I'm so obsessed with this range that I had to have the biggest bottle. And yes, I have tested this a few times because I was so excited to try it out. And here you have the bottle. It's simple, it's elegant, bottle feels a little bit heavy, atomizer is great. You get a lot with just one spray. Mm. I'm going to put the notes up for you guys. I understand that some of the ingredients are different. In fact, I was told by my SA that the Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette is more citrusy, more fresh and fruity than the original Coco Mademoiselle perfume. And I did test out the original perfume. That definitely feels more warm and more ambery than the Eau de Toilette. This is really a lighter version of the original Coco Mademoiselle perfume. Ooh. Mm. I love this scent so much. You know what's amazing? I don't know if this has an amber note, but this smells light and fresh, but a bit warm and sexy at the same time. And that is why I fell in love with this fragrance the minute I tried it on. I also think that if you find the original Coco Mademoiselle perfume too heavy for you, especially during the warmer months, then I think the Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette will be a good alternative. You definitely still get the Coco Mademoiselle DNA. It still smells sexy and elegant. It's just a little bit lighter and a little bit more fresh. I think the Eau de Toilette would be better for layering than the actual perfume. I feel like I'm not going to give people a headache if I layer on the body oil and then spray on some of the Eau de Toilette and then on my hair, spray on a little bit of the Coco Mademoiselle hair mist. Oh my gosh, I smell so rich. I mean, this is why I'm so in love with fragrances. It's just, oh, I feel so good when I smell good. There's just something about Chanel and luxury that I, a materialistic woman, feel so drawn to. It makes me happy. And there's nothing wrong with being a little bit materialistic, okay? Like, if these little things make you happy, if it helps you relax a little bit more, then go ahead and buy them. So these are the two things that are new in my Coco Mademoiselle collection. And if you're wondering, what is the difference between Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette and the Coco Mademoiselle Intense perfume? So the Coco Mademoiselle Intense perfume is definitely more intense. This feels more appropriate for nighttime, and this also has vanilla and tonka bean. This is warmer, more luxurious, and you really only need like 1 to 2 sprays of this. If you do any more than that, I feel like you are going to give people headache. It's a strong, luxurious, elegant, sexy scent. The Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Toilette is lighter, it's more fresh, it's more appropriate for daytime, and I feel that I can spray this a couple of times, maybe twice in a day, and it wouldn't be too overpowering. It's perfect for a day out with friends, or if you're just running errands and you want to smell good, like go ahead and put this on. I don't have any problems overspraying this. I feel like that's what it's made for, to be oversprayed and not worry about other people around you. So that is it for my Chanel review, and I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned because I am going to be hauling more perfumes and reviewing more perfumes and beauty items for you.